How to add this PC or my computer icon on desktop. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add these icons like recycle bin, downloads, control panel, network, and many more on your desktop. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So first thing you want to do is right click on your desktop and this menu will appear and you will have to click on this personalized settings. Just click right here and it will open up your laptop settings. Once you get to your settings, all you need to do is just scroll down a bit and you will find all of these options right here. Now you will have to find the themes options right here. You are just going to click on it. And then if you scroll down a bit, under the related settings, you will find desktop icon settings. Just click right here. It will open up another window where you have different options to choose from. So the first one is your computer, which is this PC, user files, network, recycle bin, control panel. So if you want to remove anything or show anything, so for example, if I want to remove this PC, which is right here, I'm just going to deselect this first option and then click on OK. So what this will do is it will remove this PC completely. And if I want to bring it back, what I'm going to do is again click on desktop settings, choose my computer or this computer, click on apply and then OK. And it will show up on my desktop like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.